Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation can give you an edge during the home buying process. Before you begin your house hunt, get one step ahead with Fairway's 3-2-1-GO program. Our program provides you with an underwriter's approval before you decide to make an offer. This may increase your credibility as a buyer and bring you closer to closing. Here are the steps to our 3-2-1-GO program. You complete the underwriting process and are conditionally approved. The house hunting begins. Once you make an offer, you will go under contract and the home will be appraised. You are clear to close. Once you're clear to close, go pack your bags. You are ready to move into your new home. Contact us today to learn more. Are you thinking of purchasing a home in the near future? Great! Here are some things you can do to prepare. Getting pre-qualified by a loan officer. In order to get pre-qualified for a mortgage, here are some of the documents you will need. W-2s for the previous 2 years, paycheck stubs for the last 30 days, employment history for the last 2 years, check or credit card information for credit report and appraisal fee, photo ID, residency history over the last 2 years, signed federal tax returns from the last 2 years. The next step will be to meet with the realtor to find your home, then make an offer. Once an offer is made, a copy of the contract is sent to your loan officer. Once you officially apply for a home loan, an underwriter will review your loan application and determine if any additional information is needed. Clear to close. Once all of your documents are approved, your loan is moved to clear to close status. If the underwriter approved your loan, a closing disclosure will be sent to you and your loan officer will contact you with final figures and information. That is how you become a homeowner. Helpful hints. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth home buying process. Do. Keep originals and be able to access your employer pay stubs, bank statements, and any other important documents. Do. Notify your loan officer of any employment changes such as raises, promotions, or change of pay status. Don't close or open any asset accounts or transfer any funds without speaking with your loan officer. Don't change jobs or employers without inquiring about the impact this might have on your home loan. Don't make any major purchases such as cars, furniture, appliances, or etc. Your trusted lender with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation is here to help ensure a smooth, rewarding home buying process. Contact us today. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your statistical likelihood to repay the credit that is extended to you. Your score is a snapshot of a specific moment in time, but can and will change with new actions and the passage of time. Credit scores range from 300 to 850, with 300 being low and 850 being high. The higher the credit score, the more favorable your credit history will be viewed when applying for new credit or refinance of existing credit. Maintaining a favorable credit score is important. There are several different reasons why your credit score may be reviewed, including new employment, renting a house or apartment, applying for insurance, obtaining a credit card, and applying for a mortgage. Your score is determined by a number of factors. Payment history. Do you pay your credit on time? Length of positive credit history, and severity and quantity of delinquencies. Amount owed. Quantity of credit accounts. Too many credit cards with balances can lower a score. Length of credit history. The longer the history, the better. How long have your credit accounts been established? How long has it been since you used certain accounts? New credit. Research shows that opening several credit accounts in a short period of time does represent greater risk, especially for people who do not have a long-established credit history. Types of credit in use. Here's an example of an ideal credit mix. 2 installment loans, 3 revolving accounts with balances, balances on revolving debt below 30% of the high credit amount, no collection accounts, no public records, no foreclosures, and no late payments. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that each of the nationwide credit reporting companies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, provide you with a free copy of your credit report at your request once every 12 months. According to the Federal Trade Commission, you can order your free report by internet. Visit www.annualcreditreport.com. By phone, call 1-877-322-8228. By mail, print out and complete the Annual Credit Report Request Form and mail it to Annual Credit Report Request Service, P.O. Box 105281, Atlanta, Georgia 30348. Contact us today to learn more. Doctors and dentists whose student loan payments are in a period of deferment or forbearance may be able to exclude their payments from qualifying ratios. The borrower must be actively working in or has recently completed a medical residency or medical clinical fellowship program, have a minimum credit score of 720, and have a credit report or alternate documentation that reflects student loans that are either in a deferred or forbearance status. The property must be a one-unit property, serve as a primary residence, and be a purchase property. We believe that a great lending experience is a fast and efficient loan process, and that having a well-informed client is the way to conduct business. Visit our website, email, or call today. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth home buying process. Do keep originals and be able to access your employer pay stubs, bank statements, and any other important documents. Do notify your loan officer of any employment changes such as raises, promotions, or change of pay status. Do provide your earnest money deposit from your own personal bank account or acceptable gift funds. Do provide all documentation of sale of current home, including sales contract, closing statement, employer relocation, buyout program if applicable. Don't close or open any asset accounts or transfer any funds without speaking with your loan officer. Don't change jobs or employers without inquiring about the impact this might have on your home loan. Don't make any major purchases such as cars, furniture, appliances, or etc. Don't open or increase any liabilities including credit cards, student loans, or any other lines of credit during the loan process. Your trusted lender with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation is here to help ensure a smooth, rewarding home buying process. Contact us today. Whether you're buying your first home or refinancing your current home, Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation is here to help. We offer an extensive list of loan options and will guide you through every step of the process. A pre-approval helps you determine how much home you can afford. Take the first step today and get pre-approved. Contact us for more information or apply online.
A bright future in your new home begins with the future of home purchasing. Introducing the Fairway Now mobile app from Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. Use your app to quickly contact your Fairway loan officer and your realtor. Begin your home search straight from the app and find the perfect home. Use the robust and easy mortgage calculator to help you narrow down the options and save your calculations to compare scenarios. Complete a short loan application and receive a loan pre-qualification letter via the app to make an offer on your new home. From the My Loan page, you can see what stage your loan application is in and what documents are needed. Send your documents straight from your Fairway Now app using the built-in document scanner. If you are ever confused about what is being communicated, the app even includes a library of educational materials. Your Fairway Now app will take you to your home of your dreams with confidence you never knew possible. Talk to your Fairway loan officer today and start using the app.
Your new personalized mortgage toolkit. It's everything your clients need. Today's mortgage borrowers demand a robust mobile experience. Enhance relationships and stay ahead of your competition with this tailored app. Capture clients' and prospects' email addresses, cell phone numbers, and names with the tap of a button. Connect to home searching sites with 100% of the available listings from every real estate company with up-to-date information. Give your clients the knowledge they need from a comprehensive mortgage calculator to make smart choices early on. Calculate loan scenarios and full monthly payments because mortgage payments are more than P&I. There's also simple LO integration that allows loan officers to view their pipeline, transfer borrower documents, and get instantaneous loan status. It's one app to facilitate communication between the borrower and the realtor. As a realtor, you will be able to monitor the process as well. The built-in to-do list and scanner components allow for borrowers to scan and upload loan documents quickly and securely. And if you find yourself answering the same questions again and again, the app even includes a library of educational materials. The Fairway Now app is a lead capture tool. Offer it to prospects that call on your listings. To learn more, contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation today and start using the app.
As a realtor in the competitive housing market, you need an edge that helps you to be the go-to real estate professional. Introducing the Fairway Now mobile app from Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, the ultimate end-to-end real estate tool. This tailored app can significantly improve your communication with your prospective home buyer. Think of your new ability to focus communication between the client using a single competition-free platform as a virtual business card. Cooperatively use home search tools within the app to quickly find prospective homes and give your clients the knowledge they need from a robust mortgage calculator to make smart choices early on. The ability to use the sliders, switch programs, and find costs makes the home purchase process actually fun. Prospective borrowers will apply for their loans from the very same app. As their realtor, you will be able to monitor the process as well. Your clients will send documents straight from the Fairway Now app using the built-in document scanner. And if you find yourself answering the same questions again and again, the app even includes a library of educational materials. Your Fairway Now app will take your business to the next level like you never knew possible. Talk to your partners at Fairway today to learn more and start using the co-branded app.
Fixed versus adjustable rate mortgage. Fixed rate mortgages protect you against rising rates since the interest rate remains the same for the entire term of the loan. Plus, you have the flexibility of selecting a 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30-year term, depending on the loan type. The main difference is the lower term options have higher monthly payments, which also means you are building home equity faster. An adjustable rate mortgage is a loan term option with interest rates that can change periodically after the initial fixed rate period. After this introductory period, monthly payments are susceptible to increases or decreases based on market fluctuations, which can also affect the monthly payment. Here at Fairway, we understand that selecting the right loan option can be a bit daunting. Contact us today and we will guide you every step of the way to help you make the best decision for you and your family. How to get pre-approved for a mortgage. What is pre-approval? A pre-approval is the process of determining how much money you will be eligible to borrow before you apply for a loan. How can I get pre-approved? Step 1. Check your credit score so that you and your lender will have an idea of what type of loan you may qualify for. Step 2. You will need to provide the following documentation: income information, asset information, residential history, personal information. Why get pre-approved? Once you are ready to make an offer on your home, your realtor and seller will want to see a pre-approval letter to prove you will be able to purchase the home. A pre-approval on a mortgage lasts 60 to 90 days, depending on the lender. Contact me today to get pre-approved. At Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, it is our job to make sure that our customers have a simple and rewarding home buying experience. Not sure how the home buying process works? Here's how. First, you will need to get pre-qualified. You can contact your local Fairway loan officer to discuss the paperwork needed as well as your budget for a home. Once you get pre-qualified, you will need to meet with a real estate agent to find the type of home you are looking for within your budget. Once you find your home, you can proceed to make an offer. Once you and the seller agree on a price, a contract is created and accepted. When the contract is created and accepted, a copy of it will be sent to Fairway. Then, you will need to hire someone to inspect the home and share all invoices with the title company and your lender. When the inspection is completed, you can move forward with applying for your loan. Once you apply, the loan estimate and disclosures are sent and delivered to you, and you must perform intent to proceed. Next, an underwriter will review your loan application and determine if any additional information or documents are needed. Once all of your information has been approved, your loan is moved to clear to close status. Your closing disclosure, also referred to as a CD, will be sent to you and should be shared with your realtor and your lender. If the CD is approved, it is then sent to the title company. Fairway will then contact you with the final figures and information, and you will need to sign the closing documents at the title company. Be sure to bring a cashier's check and your photo ID. Once all documents are received and approved, you will receive the keys and become a home owner. Fairway is here to help you through every step of the home buying process. To learn more, contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation today. Are you looking to buy a new home but not sure where to start? Fannie Mae's Home Ready program meets the needs of today's home buyers by offering flexible financing options to assist them in realizing the dream of home ownership. Some of the features include first-time homebuyers are permitted, low down payment as little as 3%, flexible sources of funds with no minimum contribution from borrowers' own funds, cancelable monthly mortgage insurance, and provides home ownership education in order to help buyers get ready to buy a home and be prepared for the responsibilities. To learn more about the Home Ready program, contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation today. What can you expect from working with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation? Our branch manager, Nevin Williams, can help you navigate through the loan process with the service and speed you deserve. We offer a wide range of financing products, including fixed and adjustable rate mortgages, FHA, VA, and conventional loans, loans for first-time homebuyers, refinancing options, and more. We also have the new Fairway Now mobile app to help customers feel in control of their home loan. Apply for a loan in under 10 minutes. Track your loan progress with real-time push notifications. Securely scan loan documents with your smartphone. One-click call or text to your loan officer or realtor. We're here to serve you by helping you find the best loan to fit your financing needs. Contact Nevin today to get pre-qualified. Make your home buying dreams a reality. Call 919-725-1508 to speak with Nevin Williams today. If you have a private mortgage insurance on a conventional loan and your current loan balance is less than 80% of the home's value, you may be eligible to remove the private mortgage insurance. The first thing you need to do is grab your most recent mortgage statement. Then, call your lender and let them know that you now have the equity and would like to remove your mortgage insurance. After this call, your lender will send you a form. Fill out the form and send it back to the lender. Your lender will order a new appraisal to show that your loan balance is less than 80% of the home's current value. This appraisal will cost you about $300 to $500. Your lender may charge a small fee, but this fee is usually less than you would pay if you continued paying the mortgage insurance over the life of the loan. After this final step, your mortgage insurance will be removed. Contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation to learn more. A home-style renovation loan is a conventional mortgage that allows the borrower to make any repairs that are permanently affixed to the property. A renovation loan can be a great way to turn a house that needs cosmetic repairs and improvements into your dream home. Renovation loans include The Homestyle Renovation Loan. You can use a homestyle renovation loan to cover costs of repairs, remodels, renovations, or energy-efficient improvements on a primary residence, a second home, or an investment property. Limited 203K Rehabilitation Mortgage. In addition to funding your new home, an FHA Limited 203K can provide up to $35,000 in additional funds to help make a few non-structural repairs or renovations, such as updating a kitchen or bathroom, adding new flooring, purchasing new appliances, or repairing the roof. Standard 203K Rehabilitation Mortgage. If your potential dream home needs more than $35,000 in renovations or the repairs are structural, the standard FHA 203K might be the right solution. Additional details about this renovation loan option include total rehabilitation cost may not exceed 75% of the lesser of the acquisition cost or the subject to appraised value of the property for purchase. No HUD consultant is required. Down payment is required. Eligible property types: primary residence, second home, or one-unit investment properties. Improvements might include installing new kitchen appliances, replacing flooring, finishing an attic or basement, adding or replacing fixtures, adding an in-ground pool, repairing a well, building an addition, opening the floor plan, and adding landscaping and site amenities. Contact us today to learn more. Your mortgage payment will be a significant reoccurring monthly debt. It's imperative you understand the four main components that make up your payment. Principal. This is the total amount borrowed to purchase a home. A larger percentage of the monthly payment goes toward the interest the first few years. As time goes on, the portion of the payment dedicated to paying down the principal gradually increases. Interest. This is the cost of borrowing money and is expressed as a percentage. Taxes. Property taxes are based on the property's value and the tax rate for a specific region. Values are typically reassessed every 2 to 4 years. Therefore, changes in market values will be reflected in the property taxes. Homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance will protect your home and its contents from events like a fire, theft, water damage, and other disasters. Mortgage insurance. If you put less than 20% down on your home's total value, you will likely be required to pay mortgage insurance. This insurance protects the lender in the event the loan goes into default. Your monthly payment is the sum of the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation for any questions you have about the home buying or refinance process. At Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, we have home loan options available through the Veterans Administration to meet the unique needs of U.S. veterans and active duty service members. Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation understands the importance of having a home loan with flexible features such as little to no down payment, low closing costs, no prepayment penalties, VA financing fees that can be rolled into the loan amount, and a variety of eligible property types, including townhomes and VA-approved condos. Active duty service members, veterans, National Guard, reserves, and surviving spouses may be eligible for a VA mortgage. A VA mortgage can be used to buy a home or condominium unit in a VA-approved project, build a home, simultaneously purchase and improve a home by installing energy-related features or making energy-efficient improvements, or buy a manufactured home and/or lot. Contact Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation to learn more. Wire fraud is frequently committed online. Scammers intercept email messages and track frequently visited websites in an attempt to compromise your wire transfer. Phone calls can also be hacked to access your personal information. Here are a few helpful tips to help prevent wire fraud. You should never accept details related to a wire transfer via email or telephone. It is important to confirm all details associated with the transfer. This includes the account number and the name exactly as it appears on the account. Lastly, after sending a transfer, please contact the title company to verify the transfer was successful. If you suspect a wire transfer you've sent is in jeopardy, notify the bank immediately. Then notify IC3, the Internet Crime Complaint Center, and contact your local police department to report a possible theft.